Hey everyone, Chris here. I had an interesting thing happen with my Westie. It's been outside since I got back from Wisconsin, and we had a couple bouts of rain. So there was a constant drip under the driver's side, which I think because the Westie is tilted just a little bit that way, that the luggage rack was starting to fill up with water, even though I put my little drain screens in there. So that got my mind racing. I got the flat blade screwdriver, popped it out, and found out that it got gummed up with a bunch of like dirt and I don't know what else. I don't want to know what else, but that was gummed up in there, so it wasn't allowing the full force of water to go through. So I would recommend that it be a yearly maintenance, if not maybe a monthly maintenance, just to take a look at them. It's really not hard to take a look at them. Just hop your foot up on there and hop up, and you can see what they look like. Maybe even an old toothbrush or something just to scrub them out would probably be a good idea. I have a solar panel up on mine, so I don't want to keep a lot of water up there, but just thought I'd give everybody a quick little update on that because I noticed that it happened, and I don't want it to happen to you. So take care, everyone. Cheers.